When selecting a monitor for color grading, you'll want to choose a model that can deliver accurate color consistently, from project to project, day in and day out. The best options offer a sharp picture with strong contrast and display more than 1 billion colors. The best monitors for color grading let colorists fix problems in post-production and, more enjoyably, creatively use color to bring mood, excitement, and drama to a scene. Number 1. BenQ SW321C. High color accuracy and a host of features designed to help colorists in post-production workflow, plus a reasonable price, make this our favorite 4K monitor. BenQ has made a name for itself by designing accurate monitors for photo and video editing and color grading. With full coverage of the Rec. 709 and sRGB gamuts and 95% support of DCI-P3, the SW321C delivers industry-standard color performance with up to 10-bit color depth for smooth shading. The 1300:1 contrast ratio prevents details from getting lost in darker parts of the image. The company's uniformity technology does a good job of maintaining consistent color and brightness across the entire panel. If you output projects for different destinations, say, TV, Rec. 709, and Apple screens, DCI-P3, you'll love BenQ's Gamut Duo mode. It displays your content with two different gamuts side by side for easy comparison. You also get the fairly standard picture-in-picture, PIP, and picture-by-picture, PBP, modes, as well as an advanced black and white mode. Number 2. LG 32L950W. This IPS monitor strikes a nice balance between price and performance, with wide coverage of the DCI-P3 gamut for less than some of its competitors. The LG 32L950W costs less than the BenQ SW321C but manages to cover a bit more of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Combine it with a strong 1300:1 contrast ratio, and you've got a monitor that provides accuracy that satisfies even demanding colorists. It also supports HDR10 video and 4K UHD resolutions. However, it lacks some helpful monitoring features found on the BenQ. The 32L950W offers user flexibility thanks to support for AMD FreeSync. This technology syncs the screen's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame rate output, reducing stuttering and ghosting for better gaming. It's a nice add-on for those times when you're between projects and want to unwind. The monitor connects to your computer via Thunderbolt 3 connector, HDMI 2.0, or DisplayPort 1.4. Besides the common USB outputs, it also has a Thunderbolt 3 port for fast, 40 MB per second transfer rates from your computer. Number 3. BenQ SW240. High quality, professional features belie this monitor's low price, making it perfect for beginners, indie filmmakers, or creators with tighter budgets. This 24-inch monitor is a scaled-down version of our top pick. At 24 inches, it's not the biggest screen around, but it does come out of the box calibrated to within a delta E of 2. That means you can use it for basic color correction without hardware calibration if you're working on a truly shoestring budget. The screen itself promises a 1,000:1 contrast ratio, and the IPS technology keeps brightness and color consistent across the entirety of the display. Resolution tops out at 1920 by 1200, which isn't the meticulous 4K some other options offer. But it's plenty of resolution for a monitor this size. That's especially true if you're using this screen in concert with another monitor. Number 4. AQ2790VQ. AQ2790VQ displays stunningly sharp images at 4K UHD resolution in the 27-inch size where every detail is clear. Its UHD resolution makes multitasking or working with large windows with ease. Its IPS panel ensures accurate color displayed while viewing from a wide range of angles while producing over 1 billion colors for true-to-life colors. What's in the box? 27 inches monitor, power cord, power adapter, HDMI cable, DP cable, quick starter guide. At AUG, we design great products that meet our customers' needs in a sustainable and responsible way. Number 5. Asus ProArt Display PA32U6 Park. Unlike most other monitors, this supports the Rec. 2020 color gamut, as well as all three major HDR formats. With its support for the Rec. 2020 color gamut and a full complement of HDR formats, Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG, this monitor is designed with professionals in mind. The 10-bit IPS panel has a wide, 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle, which is useful when you're sitting down to review a project with multiple collaborators. Mini LED backlight technology has 1152 zones of local dimming to help improve color and contrast. And ASUS off-axis contrast optimization technology reduces halo effects that sometimes afflict wide viewing angles. Again, your collaborators will thank you. On the back, the monitor has 3 HDMI 2.0 connectors, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and a DisplayPort 1.2. It also has 3 USB-A ports, making it a suitable hub for any additional peripherals.